Looking for smart kitchen gadgets that make cooking faster and easier? Here are 15 genius kitchen finds from Amazon you'll wish you had sooner. Let's get started. Number 1. YARRRAMATE Oil Sprayer. This is the YARRRAMATE Oil Sprayer. It sprays a fine mist of oil evenly on your food, helping you use less oil and cook healthier meals. The bottle is refillable, easy to press, and mess-free, giving you better control while cooking. Perfect for air fryers, salads, grilling, and frying, and it also saves money, reduces waste, and keeps your kitchen cleaner. Frying pan with egg. Number 2. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. This is the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper that quickly chops, dices, and slices veggies, saving you tons of prep time. The sharp, durable blades and built-in container keep your kitchen clean, and it's perfect for salads, soups, stir-fries, and meal prep. Easy, safe, and dishwasher-friendly. Number 3. Gmtsl Fruit Basket. This is the Gmtsl Fruit Basket, the space-saving, tiered basket that keeps fruits and veggies organized, fresh, and easy to access, while adding a stylish, neat look to your kitchen. Link in the description. Number 4. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers. This is the Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Set that keeps your food fresh longer with airtight, leak-proof lids. The clear, stackable containers save space in your fridge, are durable, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, making meal prep and storage simple and organized. Number 5. Mystozer Magnetic Spice Rack, $14. This is the Mystozer Magnetic Spice Rack that holds all your spices neatly on your fridge or any metal surface, saving counter space. The magnetic jars are easy to remove, refill, and organize, making cooking faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Number 6. CAROTE 11-piece Pots and Pans Set. This is the CAROTE 11-piece Pots and Pans Set that includes all the essential cookware for every type of cooking, from frying to boiling. Made with durable, non-stick material, it heats evenly, is easy to clean, and perfect for daily cooking or meal prep. Number 7. PAULSWAY Glass Honey Dispenser. This is the PAULSWAY Glass Honey Dispenser. It pours honey smoothly without sticky mess, keeping your kitchen clean. The durable glass design is easy to refill, prevents waste, and is perfect for honey, syrup, or other liquid condiments, making serving sweeteners easy, precise, and mess-free. Link in the description. Number 8. STIRLEX Pancake Batter Dispenser. This is the STIRLEX Pancake Batter Dispenser. It pours batter evenly and precisely, helping you make perfect pancakes, waffles, and crepes every time. Its mess-free, easy-to-use design saves prep time, reduces spills, and keeps your kitchen clean, making breakfast faster and more enjoyable. Number 9. Laudlife Electric Warming Tray, $31. This is the Laudlife Electric Warming Tray. It keeps food warm for hours, saves energy, prevents reheating, and maintains the perfect serving temperature. It also serves multiple dishes easily, reduces last-minute kitchen stress, is safe, durable, and easy to clean, making it perfect for family meals, parties, and buffet. Number 10. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. This is the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. It makes perfect waffles in minutes, heats evenly, and is non-stick for easy cleanup. It's compact, safe, energy-efficient, durable, and easy to store, perfect for quick breakfasts, snacks, or fun treats for kids and family, making breakfast faster, easier, and more enjoyable every day. Check the link in the description. Number 11. Moss and Stone 2-in-1 Personal Mini Blender, $19. This is the Moss and Stone 2-in-1 Personal Mini Blender that blends smoothies, shakes, and sauces quickly, saving you time in the kitchen. The compact design is easy to carry, the jar is spill-proof and dishwasher safe, and it's perfect for healthy drinks on the go, meal prep, or protein shakes. Number 12. ZAR 3-in-1 Kitchen Sink Drain Strainer. This is the ZAR 3-in-1 Kitchen Sink Drain Strainer. It catches food waste, prevents clogs, keeps your sink clean, and reduces kitchen mess. The durable, rust-resistant, and easy-to-clean design fits most sinks, drains water quickly, and makes washing dishes and kitchen cleanup faster and hassle-free. Number 13. Kitchen Kite Glass Teapot Set, $35. This is the Kitchen Kite Glass Teapot set that brews tea perfectly while looking elegant on your table. The heat-resistant glass, built-in infuser, and ergonomic handle make it easy and safe to use, while keeping your kitchen clean. Perfect for morning tea, evening relaxation, or serving guests. Number 14. Cuomaop Deep Fryer Pot. This is the cuomaop deep fryer pot that fries food evenly and quickly, delivers crispy results, and reduces oil splatter. It's durable, heat-resistant, and easy to clean, perfect for frying, boiling, steaming, or making snacks. It also saves cooking time, minimizes kitchen mess, ensures safer cooking, retains food flavor, and is energy efficient, making it a must-have for hassle-free everyday cooking. Number 15. Luvan Pickle Jar. This is the Luvan Pickle Jar. It keeps pickles fresh and flavorful for longer, preventing them from going soggy or spoiling. The airtight, spill-proof lid ensures no mess in your kitchen, while the durable glass jar makes it easy to store, serve, and even carry pickles. Perfect for all types of pickles, chutneys, and sauces, keeping your condiments tasty, organized, and ready to use anytime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing kitchen finds. Product link is in the description.